Today, I'm gonna share 3 compelling reasons why agency partnerships can be a game changer for your business. I'm Sanjay, the founder and CEO of SM Titans Digitals. Over the years, we have partnered with more than 30 digital marketing agencies across the world, helping them achieve outstanding results for their clients through different marketing channels. And I'm really excited to share how you can benefit from similar partnerships. So let's get started. Reason 1: outsourced expertise. First and foremost, partnering with agency like SM Titans Digital gives you access to specialized expertise. Managing ad campaigns can be time consuming and complex. By outsourcing this aspect of your business, you can tap into a team of seasoned professionals who are dedicated to maximize ad performance. This means your clients get top-notch service and you can focus on what you do best, growing your agency. Reason 2: higher efficiency for your agency's growth. When you collaborate with a digital marketing agency, you streamline your operations. We handle the intricacies of ad management, allowing you to save time and resources. This increased efficiency not only enhances your delivery but also positions your agency for growth. Imagine being able to take on more clients without compromising on quality. This is the power of partnership. And the last, reason 3: higher margins even with profit sharing. Finally, let's discuss profitability. Many agencies worry that sharing profits will cut into their margins. However, partnering with us can lead to higher margins. By leveraging our expertise and resources, you can deliver exceptional results that justify premium pricing. Even with profit sharing, the overall increase in revenue and client satisfaction can significantly boost your bottom line. In conclusion, agency partnerships can transform your business by providing outsourced expertise, enhancing efficiency, and increasing profitability. Do you want to know how we can work together? Reach out today to get started. I'm confident this partnership will lead to success and collaborative growth. Thank you for watching.